Howdy, neighbors. Alright. I'm taking a before video before I fire up the new weed eater and try to do this space right in front of me. Later. Okay. Oh, God. This is one roughly 20-minute charge on the 40-volt battery of the weed eater. It gives you an idea of how much power it has and for how long. Now it'll take at least an hour for it to charge, so I get at least an hour break. And let me show you how tall this stuff is. I'm squatted down, and it's literally as tall as I am, some of those weeds. And I've only got miles to go before I sleep. And I have to worry about my water lines. That was buried in all that. I have to pull them up, do the weed eating, and then put them back. So, it's a beautiful Saturday morning. I didn't get any more finch food. I forgot. Later.